To check your transaction history on Pangea 2026, follow these simple steps to access and review your financial activities. This guide will help you navigate the platform efficiently. Step 1. Log in. Visit the Pangea 2026 website or open the app. Enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Navigate to the dashboard. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breached records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 3. Access transaction history. Look for a section labeled Transaction History or Account Activity on the dashboard. Click on this option to proceed to your transaction records. Step 4. Filter transactions. In the Transaction History section, you may have options to filter or sort your transactions by date, type, or amount. Use these filters to find specific transactions more easily. Step 5. Review and download. Once you have located your desired transactions, review the details. If needed, look for an option to download or export your transaction history for your records. By following these steps, you can easily check your transaction history on Pangea 2026. Regularly reviewing your transactions can help you stay informed about your financial activities.